Hello friends, welcome back to Rabi Hobby. Today we are making world famous Sonu Da Bihari mutton. Well, at least our kids says that. Yes, these kids. They've been up all night and it's 3 p.m. and still sleeping. Here 4.5 pounds of fresh cut mutton and some fat. Add salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin seed powder, also add about 2 tablespoons of ginger and green chili paste and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Bihari mutton curry is the delicacy of choice during many Bihari weddings. The reason is that this recipe will give you falling off the bones, succulent pieces of melt in your mouth mutton pieces. And now add mustard oil in it. Now add the fat pieces in it as well and add generous amount of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix it very well. When speaking of non-vegetarian curries, there's nothing that beats Indian cuisines. Be it the northern part of Punjab, Bengal, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh or South India, there's no dearth of non-vegetarian curries. In fact, did you know Bihar has a host of interesting non-vegetarian offering as well? Beyond litti chokha, Bihar has the Champaran mutton curry that has been impressing the palate of foodies. Add black pepper, mix it well and set it aside for half an hour to 45 minutes. Now in a heated pan, add few bay leaves, few red chili, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed powder, 2 cinnamon sticks, few green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn and few cloves and dry roast it. In my brother's house, the non-veg item not allowed inside the house since they have temple inside the house and they do the worship every day. So they have a small arrangement in his garage to cook all the non-veg item. Now add oil in the pan and roast the spices. Add fresh garlic in it. This part was not big enough, so he's placing everything in the bigger part. It's electric one, so easy to cook on it. Now here we have about 3 pound of onion. Let the onion cook until it's soft and golden brown. Now onion is ready. It's time to add marinated mutton in it. Add some water in it. Cover it and let it cook for half an hour at the low temperature. Day outside looks very beautiful. Let's see. Yeah, it is beautiful, but little chilly. After half an hour, add some more water. And yes, aloo also got the smell of mutton. We did add the fat part in the curry. Now we are taking it out. We just had it in there to take away the raw smell of the fat part. We don't want to overcook it, so we are taking it out for now, and we'll put it back in there when curry is almost ready to cook it a little bit more. And if you leave the fat part inside the curry for a long time, it will dissolve in the curry, and you don't want that.
Some glow hills.
Now add some more water in it. Cover it and cook it for another half an hour. time to put the fat part back in the curry. Cover it and cook it for another half an hour. And cook it until all the water is gone. Key for the best mutton is slow cooking at the low temperature. Now once all the water is gone, add more water in it. And yes, use the hot water.
सब दे देते हैं ठाडे उसमें दबक नहीं देना दे हड्डी छोड़ दिया सब
Cover it and let it cook for another half an hour, and this mutton will be ready to serve.
What's going on, guys?
I'm doing math practice.
You're doing math practice?
Yeah.
For real?
I'm testing out one of my answers to make sure it's right.
Nice. You guys want to have the mutton? It's already ready waiting for you
It's
downstairs.
ready?
Yep.
In
Come downstairs in 15 minutes, alright?
No, that's mine.
No, I asked mom earlier if you could want one.
Mom said one.
No, you have to eat two.
No, mom said one.
No, two for you.
Mom said one.
What happened, Alu? What happened to you? They're not feeding you? They're not feeding you? You want some? You want some mutton? You want some mutton? You want some mutton? You want it? Archie, why don't you feed him?
I wish I could.
He's crying. He wants some.
Die. There might be something that we don't know about.
You should have some raw mutton left for him.
I
Alright?
don't think about money left.
Poor Alu. Poor Alu. Poor Alu.
We'll go for a walk when we go outside. When the leave, we'll go for a walk. He's fat.
Alu.
He's fat. All the blubbers.
Oh. So guys, how's Sonu Da Bihari mutton?
Delicious.
As always.
The best mutton in the world.
It's hot.
Yes, I can see.
The perfect amount
Looks
of sweet
good.
and the perfect amount of taste. And spicy.
Was that perfect?
Perfect food, perfect taste, perfect spice. My mom perfected the recipe.
You would love
Your dad perfected the
Oh, you know mom's cousin? That's Mama G?
Oh yeah.
His mutton though.
That's the only mutton in the world that's better than this whole.
Oh yeah.
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 Whose mutton is that?
That's Mama G, my mom's cousin.
You gotta try it.
Gotta try that when you go to India.
Genuinely probably the best mutton ever. And I barely have any memories of it. All I knew was my tongue. For me so far it's
What Alu? Nobody's giving you? Huh? What? What? What?
Please scan this QR code to subscribe the channel.